In this video, we're going to show you how to configure a new SCS controller. So please open the app, input your 4-digit PIN. Once you see the controller on the top, go ahead and highlight it and hit connect on the bottom. As you notice, the first thing that is going to be said is that the manufacturer has not been set. We're going to click on the little 3 bars, hit SCS Setup, and here instead of selecting the manufacturer, we're going to select Load File. Once we're on the Load File screen, we're going to select Server. This is going to download the files from the server. One easy way to select the file, because most of the time there's more than one, is to actually click on the box Local and type either the model number, the file number, the OEM, or brand. I'm going to pretend that I want to download new file, and so I'm going to put new file, and as you can see, it only brings up those parameters called new file. After, select the first one, which is something that you should always do. If you have 2 or more files, always select the top one. This is going to be the most recent file. Once you select it, hit download. Download is successful, and when you go to your local, you will see the file. Now you can select it, and it says, do you want to select, do you want to set the manufacturer to sales test OEM, in my case, and you hit OK. You can select who is the cooler owner. We're going to say that it is, again, we're going to select sales test bottler. The brand, we're going to say it's the same sales test bottler. We're going to hit set. The next step is to select the asset number. We can do this in 2 ways. You can scan the barcode by choosing using your camera, or you can also type in the barcode and hit save. The next step is to select the cooler model. Because we loaded the file, it already knows that the cooler model was a dairy food model. Okay, this is just an example. Then we can edit the manufacturer. Again, you can use the scan barcode to select the manufacturer, or you can type it in and click Save. And the last step is installing the address. Click on it. It's going to open Google Maps. It has already found the location. Choose to save. Install address successfully. Click OK. Now you have completed the configuration process for a new SCS controller. Thank you for watching this tutorial.